Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a beta symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a beta symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. So I'm just going to show like this, and if you are on the home section, just change to the insert option section on the top. Now you just need to click on the symbol option. Just click on this drop menu and you can find the beta symbol on here. You can find here on the custom symbol option. If you don't find the beta symbol there, then don't worry, click on this and click on the more symbol option. After clicking on the more symbol option, you just need to change the basic Greek. So you just want to change the subset in the symbol section. In subset, you just want to change, if it is on something like this, just want to change to a basic Greek, and here you can find the beta symbol like this. You can just insert by clicking here and just close after if you insert. So this is how you just insert a beta symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.